today I am starting a new series on computer organization and architecture. In this video, I will explain which topic we are going to cover in this series. Basically, I will give you the complete list of topics and their subtopics that we will cover step by step. So, if you want to learn computer organization and architecture from the basic, this series will help you to understand the subject clearly. So we divided computer organization and architecture into two parts, computer architecture and computer organization. In computer architecture we will study basics and classification, then instruction set design, then process architecture, then performance and parallelism. In instruction set design we will study instruction set architecture, instruction formats, addressing modes, CPU instruction set, data types and memory addressing. In process architecture we will study RISC architecture, then we will study CISC architecture and the difference between RISC and CISC. And the performance and parallelism we will study pipeline architecture, then parallel processing and then multiprocessor system. In computer organization we will study CPU organization, memory organization, input output organization, interrupt organization and pipeline implementation. In CPU organization we will study register and register organization, then register transfer and micro operations, then ALU operations, then control unit design, then bus system, then instruction cycle, then stack organization, then general register organization. Then in memory organization we will study memory hierarchy, cache memory, main memory, memory interfacing, memory function, that is read write operations. In input output organization we will study input output interfacing, input output devices and controllers, programmed input output, direct memory actions. In interrupt organization we will study interrupt types, interrupt cycle, interrupt handling mechanism and priority interrupt. In pipeline implementation we will study instruction pipelining, pipeline stages, pipeline hazards, pipeline performance. In the next video we will learn the brief overview of each topic so that we can get a broad idea of what we will study in this series. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you to understand the structure of the topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.